Today we pumped because of the Fed. So thank you to the Fed for making our day so awesome and getting it on with a pump up the jam, pump it up. Because guys and girls, today we are pumping in the crypto space. Since yesterday, since last night, since about 8-9 o'clock last night, we were pumping in the crypto space. The dollar completely dropped hardcore. I'm going to show you these charts today. It's going to blow your mind away. Before we do this, please know that this video isn't financial advice. And if you are a trader and you've been trading, I hope you got into some really cool trades. At an hour or two after, I was up late last night. I got into 4 trades. I'll talk a little bit about those trades in a little bit of a moment because they're doing pretty well so far. And they're up between 15 and 20% each so far. So including Bitcoin. And that's the thing, guys, is you can do short trades, higher margin, and just take percentage profits, which is also good. That's the point of being in the space. So if you're a trader and you have not yet, click down below for the buy bit bonus of up to $30,000, then click so right now and just wait for a little bit of a pullback and re-enter the market and get yourselves into the space. Trade, make some money and get in and out, take some profits and go and buy some crypto. Because today I'm going to be showing you some flipping awesome stuff, guys. So let's make this video as quick as we possibly can. The Fed made an announcement yesterday, and if you come over to their website, the Federal Reserve Government, here's the video if you want to go watch the whole thing. But you don't need to, because you can watch the you can go and read the transcript here if you actually really like. But that's pretty simple. More than anything, I want to show you what has happened in the crypto space, and we're going to talk about what the Fed did and why it affected the crypto market. So basically, the Fed was raised by 25 basis points, as they said they were going to do, as expected by the market, as it was priced into the market, which made it absolutely phenomenal for all of us. And that's exactly why we are pumping. So I'm going to leave you with something, a little bonus right towards the end that the Fed made as an announcement, which is going to tell us something extremely bullish about crypto and what is going to happen here in the crypto, the stock markets, every market that we're considering right now, because it seems as though we're getting back onto a bullish trend right now. And that's going to be awesome for you and for me, my beautiful community. So if you want to hear these things, continue and stay till watching the video till the end. And please make sure that you smash that thumbs up for me and this beautiful community, because you know I do whatever it takes to make these videos for you every day in every wonderful way, so that you're up to date with knowledge, trades, information, potential cryptos that can make you a millionaire in the future. And I'm starting to get into some cloud mining cryptos, etc. So we're going to talk about those things a little bit later in the next video. So hit that notification bell and you're going to know when I launch those videos for you guys. So with that being said, the Fed was dovish yesterday. The announcement was that inflation is still running hot. They're going to continue to raise interest rates. So they're letting the market know what they're doing. Okay. And the term is don't fight the Fed. There's once or twice in history where you should have fought the Fed because they were wrong. And that's what Fed Powell said yesterday, was that we can make mistakes. We're doing our best. But right now, because inflation is still running hot, we're still going to continue to raise the interest rates. So if they do continue to do that, then they will very likely only raise the interest rates by 25 basis points going forward from here. There's no doubt about it. So what happened in the market in the past 24 hours? We've pumped 4.1%. The market cap is 1.13 trillion. Bitcoin is sitting at 23,784, pretty much the same as what it was yesterday and for the past week. Ethereum is 16606. That's interesting, huh? BNB's at 328.43, XRP's at 41.3 cents, and XRP's had really good success in their case so far. They won the one document file that was filed against them. They won that because it was invalid. Cardano at 40 cents, Dogecoin at 9 cents, Polygon at 1.22, OKB at $40, Solana 24.84. Polkadot 650. Litecoin has pumped through the ceiling to $100.17. aehUX is pumping, guys, 21.75. Uniswap 693. Cosmos 14.76, and Chainlink 7.25. Now, guys, The fear and greed index for the day is now sitting at 60. That's 4 points above from what we had yesterday. We're now starting to tap into the greed territory. The moment we start getting into extreme greed is going to be the moment that you should probably be taking some profits, whether you're in spot, whether you're in trades, etc. And that's going to be healthy for you to just dollar cost average your positions out a little bit, put it back into some stable coins, wait for a bit of a pullback, re-enter, buy some, and accumulate more at cheaper prices. And this is what crypto is about. And this is how you make money in crypto. You just have to be a little bit active with it, a little bit, in it. And of course, you have to know what you're doing. But you can get to learn to know what you're doing by watching communities like this that share information across the board. And of course, other communities like the Moon Channel, Altcoin Daily, Crypto Kid, BitBoy, whatever it is you want to watch, whichever is your favorite channel, Crypto Banter. I mean, I love them. I love all of them that I've just mentioned. So let's get rid of the fear and greed index. As you can see here in the day, boom, there is absolute green everywhere, all over, guys. Absolutely amazing. So I'm loving this. I'm thinking that the space is great. So I already told you that we raised the interest rates basis points. So the next one will be considered between 0.50 and 0.75. And the manufacturing was a little bit higher, and the ISM manufacturing was a little bit lower. Job openings was a little bit higher, so that was really cool. So the market was showing somewhat a bit of stability / a little bit of strength, and that's that. Okay, so crypto bubbles done. Market chart done. Let's go see the Bitcoin price, guys. What happened yesterday? Well, check at this. Boom. We literally went from 22,800 right up to 24,200. That's an insane pump. We broke out of this level here, so now we're creating higher highs. We're still within the channel. I'm going to show you the channel now. But essentially, if you come here to the day on Bitcoin price, what did we do? We broke. We're pushing up. We're trying to stay above. This is trying to push up. So I do believe we'll probably hit this 25 level. Right now, we're doing a little bit of a pullback, which is okay, guys. It's healthy to do pullbacks, but the more we pull back, and here's the channel that I was referring to, okay? We hit the top of the channel here. You can see that if I had to just extend this line a little bit. But essentially, once we break out of that level, check where my target is up there, guys. So it will be very interesting to see this. And at the moment, essentially, Bitcoin is just trading sideways still. It's sideways. It hasn't gone crazy, but I do believe we'll pull back a little bit, and then we'll probably come back up, and we're going to pull up, and we're going to go back up. It looks as though we're going to just be trending sideways upwards momentum. Okay, what happened to the dollar yesterday? Well, the dollar literally, I drew this channel for you guys yesterday. Now, this is obviously on the 15-minute, and this is a 15-minute candle. That thing fell out the sky within moments. Look at it on the hour time frame, and look where we're at right now. We're about to retest the bottom of this, okay? We may pop back in here, but the likelihood of us, and look at this, we had a CME gap, which we're currently busy trying to close, so that's why the dollar's pulling back up. But if I have to extend this line here as well, we'll see now that we are officially below that resistance level, and we may pump up there, which will be in confluence with the top of the descending channel again, and the 20 EMA, and now all of the EMAs are pulling down here. So I do believe that the dollar is very likely looking a lot more bearish at this point. And yes, we are very oversold on the RSI and the stochastic. So we may want to pull back up. Like I say, that might be the pull up. And generally, that's a slight little bit of a lagging indicator. It's not immediate. So look at that dollar. We've now officially closed below that trend line, below this trend line, and we're pushing within the bottom of the wedge. So for me, guys, this dollar could come down still a little bit more. The S&P has officially confirmed its breakup trend. We broke out here, we retested, and we've gone bullish again. So now I did say to you that there would be a little bit of resistance, as you can see on today's current candle. It's pulled back just slightly, but we're pushing up, and we'll probably hit these levels before we do a bit of a retracement back there. Now I want to have a look at the total crypto market cap, because that's going to be absolutely insane for you guys to see what happened here. Now, while I'm doing this, I want to show you. You can see I spoke to you yesterday about this pattern, and oops, excuse me, let's go back. Okay, let's draw that again. Brush. Okay, down, up, down, up. That's a W pattern, isn't it? So now if we draw that little trend line and we get from the bottom to the top of this trend, we're now going to pull this up, and the total crypto market cap as a breakout there, it's busy testing the breakout level. As a breakout level there, we should probably hit the 1.13 trillion. So it says 1.13 trillion here, even though the market cap's already that 1.13 trillion. And that's why I say sometimes these things are a little bit of lagging indicators. But with a bit of resistance here, we'll pull back and then shoot through the roof here. And we'll probably come and hit this level here, which would on CoinGecko probably be about 1.3 to 1.4 trillion on the market cap, which is at that point where I would say that we have we may be a lot more bullish, and Ethereum is speaking the language of bullish territory as well, because now we've confirmed the breakout of the 20 moving average. The 20 moving average now starting to pull up a bit more on the daily time frame, and the 200 EMA here is starting to pull up, which is phenomenal, guys. Now, what is the Fed news that I wanted to share with you? See, I tried to see what the Fed meetings were so I could highlight it for you guys, but I couldn't do that. So what is the bonus point here about the Fed? So previously we've spoken about raising the US economy and the government raising the debt ceiling for the US economy. Now they're already at just around under 32 trillion in debt, right? And if they had to raise the debt ceiling in the economy, what would that debt ceiling look like? How much money would they have to consider? And that's the Federal Reserve's way of giving a warning, even though they're going to raise interest rates, that the government should consider raising the debt ceiling so that they can start to print money again. That was the first signal of the money printers getting their ink ready, getting their paper cut and size to print money. Okay, so, and we know it's digital money and not literal money, but it's digital money. So it's going to be absolutely insane going forward. And the bullish market is going to look insane. And look at this, guys. On the Bitcoin chart, if I have to do this for you, let's go on to the weekly time frame now. Okay, because I've spoken to you about this before, and in fact maybe the monthly time frame will be the exact one that I should be speaking to you about. So just let's get to the monthly. Okay, because now the monthly is looking insane, guys. My target, I said to you, would be about 49,000. That would probably, I would say we would probably hit that by May at this current rate. And then at May is sell and go. In May, sell and go away. So there has been 3 years of bullish market, 1 year of downtrend. 3 year of bullish market, 1 year of downtrend. We've been in a downtrend for 1 year. This has happened since the beginning of Bitcoin. So 3 years bullish, 1 year bearish. 3 years bullish, 1 year bearish. So we're now starting to turn, and we've engulfed many candles here. So we're looking to go bullish on the Bitcoin market and the space. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you love the content, you're enjoying what I'm doing, please remember to smash that like button for me. Say how's it to me in my comments below. Let me know what videos you would like to, or other altcoins you would like me to talk about in my videos. And let's go have ourselves a really awesome, happy, and wonderful special day today. Thank you for being here with me, guys. I really appreciate it. Let's go make some money in the crypto space. Hope you're enjoying trading. Remember the Bybit link down there where you can get $30,000 deposit, and let's go and have some fun. And of course, I could not leave without actually enjoy your days, beautiful souls. Love you all.